Hi everybody, John Cunningham Ryan, Senior Library Assistant with the Wexford Library Services. I just want to do a short tutorial here on how you can access our digital archive. So when you open up your internet browser, you can just type wexfordcoco.ie/libraries into the address bar. So that'll bring you to the Wexford County Council website and bring you into the library section. Below that you can see all the different departments and services provided by the library, and we're going to look at ebooks and e-resources. That's where all of our online content is available, and you'll be able to see here all the different things: magazines, books, courses, etc. And we're going to look at the digital local collection. So this is where all of our scanned documents are available, 19th century texts, historical journals, photographs, magazines. There's also an oral history project available there as well. So I'm just going to hit here on view the digital local collection. This opens up a second page. Now don't worry about all of this text here in your address bar. You don't have to type that in. You just take note here that it says Vital Repository. Vital Repository is the program that we use to catalog and store all of our content, and then it's also the program that you can go and look and see what you're looking for. So the easiest way to look for something is just to type in the search bar what you're looking for. So I'm going to look for stuff on farming, so I've just typed in the word farming there, and I'm going to hit the search button. So this will bring up quite a few documents for me. In fact, it's brought up 113 documents. So it's looked through those documents in a few different ways. It has looked to see is the word farming in the title, and you can see here the title of this document has farming written in it. It'll also look up to see if an item has been catalogued with a subject of farming. So you can see here this article or this item here of James Byrne has a subject of farming there. And also if the item is a page of text, the system will search every word of that text as well. So there's a few different ways that it comes up with items. And down the left hand side here you can also filter out your creators if you want, or other subjects that are created as well. So you can see rural life and storytelling, etc. And then down here you can see different formats. We have two different formats at the moment. We have in this search we have PDFs, they're the scanned items, and then we have MP3 files, which are our oral history project. Now I don't want to talk too much about the oral history project. You can see a whole selection of them down here, because I'm going to do a separate video about them, okay? But for now I'm just going to look across here and I'm going to just choose page 6 of the different items. And we can see here a selection of items: Wexford Historical Society Journal, Timon Historical Society Journal, what else do we have? Statistical Survey, Between Place and Parish. So we have lots of different documents that are available to read or available to download. So I'm just going to go up here and I'm just going to download this one here, A Fair Day in Timon. So this is the Timon Historical Journal, the third journal printed in 1999. So let's have a look, click on that and see what brings up. So we get a little bit more information there about the document. It's a PDF, and over here we've got a little preview of what the document looks like. So I'm going to download that and read that article. So I'm just going to hit the download all button here. And there's two different ways of downloading it. You can download it as a zip or just download it individually. I find it's just easy to download the file individually, so I'm just going to click on that there. And if you just notice there now, see that little PDF file is after popping up there? That's the file that's downloaded. I'm using Google Chrome, so the file appears down there. If you're using Internet Explorer, you'll probably get a message up here on the center at the bottom. And if you're using on other internet browsers, a message will come up here at the top in the right hand corner. But if you've just got distracted or haven't actually seen the message, I'll just show you another way to find your file. If you click into your File Explorer, this will bring up your computer and all the different stuff that might be on your computer. And you can see down the left hand side here, you've got loads of different menus. If you click on the download folder, it will show you what you've recently downloaded. And there we have the PDF that was downloaded. Now it's good practice to actually rename the file, because if you went ahead and downloaded 4 or 5 PDFs on different things, they'd all just be called PDF and you wouldn't know which you switch. So to rename it, you just right click there and go down to rename, and then just type the title of the article. So it was A Fair Day in Timon. So I'll just type that in there, A Fair Day in Timon. Okay, so there's my article there now, ready to read. So what I can do is I can just double click here to open up the document, or I can double click down here to open up the document, whichever is handier for yourself. So let's double click on that and open it up. Depending on your computer and what type of PDF reader you have, it'll open up Adobe, or it'll open it up through an internet browser, or most computers will be able to open up a PDF file. And there you can see the file now has been scanned in, and there's the text ready to read. So that is how you access items on Wexford Library Service Digital Archive. I have been John Cunningham Ryan for the Library Service. If you like this video, please comment below and share it. Thank you very much.